we will put all of our efforts in getting you so well optimized that you can grow fairly quickly.
My name is Shawn. This is Shawn. And my name is Shawn Henderson with my Amazon Guy.
Hey, Stephen, Shawn is amazing. So is your team so far.
Hey, cool, Shawn. We've got a lot more business for you.
Thank you for introducing Shawn to me. Special personality. She's such a sweet lady.
Are you familiar with my Amazon Guy? Let me give you kind of a 60-second intro to us. We've been in business over 6.5 years. We manage over 400 brands, close to $1 billion in revenue for our clients. We refer to ourselves as a growth center. I would say the most important is that we grow you. There's no limitation to what we will do to grow you. Typically, people, when I speak to them, want to hear how we can grow their brand. I've onboarded Nestle to our company. We manage Heavenly Hunts. We manage Chinook Seedery. All of these are massive sellers on Amazon. We do all the work. The only thing you have to do, especially in the beginning, approve our work. But we do it all. And we've got an incredible team. Anything you can think of, they will help you with. Thank you for bringing me into the My Amazon Guys family. I joined My Amazon Guy back in 2021. I was employee 112 at the time. Since then, we've tripled in size, and it has been an incredible journey, not just with clients, but also our employees. And we have spread out globally. It's an incredible feeling. Thank you for starting My Amazon Guy. Thank you for getting into the Amazon world. This is absolutely an incredible family, and I would not want to be anywhere else. Thanks, Stephen.